When we think of the jungle, our minds often drift to the forest floor, where roots twist and tangle, shadows dance, and elusive animals like jaguars prowl silently through the undergrowth. This is the world we imagine, dark, mysterious, and teeming with life at our feet. But high above, hidden from our everyday view, lies a vibrant metropolis, the jungle canopy. This upper world is a living roof, stretching as far as the eye can see, sheltering the mysteries of the rainforest beneath its emerald expanse. This elevated realm, bathed in golden sunlight and shrouded in morning mist, is a web of life unfolding hundreds of feet above the ground. Here, the air is alive with the calls of unseen creatures, and the treetops sway gently in the breeze, forming a world apart from the shadowy floor below. In this sky-high kingdom, flowers bloom in the open air, their colors dazzling against the green. Animals, monkeys, birds, and insects move effortlessly from branch to branch, living entire lives without ever touching the earth. The canopy is their home, their playground, and their sanctuary. For centuries, explorers and adventurers missed this secret kingdom, their attention fixed on what was beneath their feet. The wonders above remained invisible, a hidden world just out of reach. Early naturalists could only guess at the drama unfolding overhead, piecing together clues from fallen leaves, mysterious fruits, and the rare glimpses of creatures that descended to the ground. The true nature of the canopy remained a tantalizing mystery, but the call of the canopy was too strong to ignore. The towering trees beckoned, their heights promising new discoveries and untold stories. A new age of exploration began, not across continents or oceans, but straight up, into the heart of the jungle's most dynamic and mysterious ecosystem. Adventurers and scientists alike were drawn to the challenge, eager to unlock the secrets of this vertical frontier. Each ascent into the canopy reveals new species, strange adaptations, and breathtaking beauty. With every climb, our appreciation for the ingenuity and resilience of life deepens, and the boundaries of our knowledge expand. The jungle canopy is a true frontier of our own planet, a place where the story of life is still being written, and where some of the most thrilling chapters in natural history are yet to be discovered. Now, as we climb higher and push further into this green expanse, the secrets of this world are finally coming to light. Each new perspective brings wonder and awe. The vertical journey has just begun, and with every step upward, we move closer to understanding the full richness of the rainforest. The greatest discoveries may still be waiting above, hidden in the leaves and sunlight, ready to inspire the next generation of explorers. The canopy is the jungle's upper layer, a dense, interlocking roof of branches and leaves that stretches high above the forest floor. It's a world suspended in the air, where the trees knit together to form a living fortress. This living ceiling extends for miles, so thick and lush that only a fraction of sunlight ever makes it to the ground below. The air here is humid and warm, filled with the filtered glow of sunlight that manages to slip through the leaves. But the canopy isn't just a collection of treetops, it's a unique environment with its own weather, its own sounds, and its own cast of characters. Mist drifts between the branches, and the air is alive with the calls of hidden creatures. The canopy is the powerhouse of the jungle, capturing sunlight and fueling photosynthesis on a massive scale. Here, the energy that sustains the entire rainforest is created, driving the cycles of life below. Leaves, flowers, and fruit flourish in abundance, providing food and shelter for an incredible array of animals, monkeys, birds, insects, and countless others, all adapted to life high above the ground. The canopy is the engine room, driving the entire ecosystem above and below. Every layer of the forest depends on the energy and nutrients produced here. It's a complex, three-dimensional world. Emergent trees rise like skyscrapers, their crowns exposed to the full force of sun and wind. These giants create microhabitats for rare species and offer vantage points for birds of prey. Below, a tangled network of branches, vines, and epiphytes forms endless pathways and secret hideaways. Orchids, bromeliads, and mosses cling to every surface, creating a world within a world. Sun-drenched clearings, shady groves, and aerial gardens all exist high above the earth, each supporting its own community of plants and animals. Here, life is a constant competition for light and space. Scientists venture into the canopy to unlock its secrets, discovering new species and unraveling the mysteries of this vertical wilderness. Understanding the canopy is key to understanding the jungle itself. Life here is lived vertically, in layers of staggering complexity. Each level is home to different creatures, all perfectly adapted to their niche in this living skyscraper. The canopy is where the action is, where energy is made, where predators hunt, and where the greatest dramas of survival unfold in the treetops. To ignore the canopy is to miss the heart of the jungle's story, a city in the trees, teeming with life, mystery, and wonder. Scientists now believe the jungle canopy may hold half of all species on Earth. This astonishing diversity is hidden high above the forest floor, in a world that for centuries remained almost entirely unexplored by humans. For generations we cataloged only what we could see from the ground, missing the true explosion of life above. The dense foliage overhead concealed a vibrant universe teeming with creatures and plants that rarely, if ever, descend to the forest floor. The canopy's vast, three-dimensional space offers endless opportunities for life to diversify. Here, every layer, from the sunlit treetops to the shadowy lower branches, hosts its own unique communities, each adapted to its particular niche. Sunlight, water, and abundant food create perfect conditions for evolution to run wild. The constant interplay of rain and sun fuels a cycle of growth and decay, supporting an intricate web of life that is both resilient and fragile. In a single Amazonian tree, more ant species can be found than in all of Britain. Each species has carved out its own role, from leafcutters to hunters, all thriving side by side in this vertical metropolis. The canopy is home to frogs, snakes, birds, mammals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Some species spend their entire lives in the treetops, never touching the ground, perfectly adapted to this lofty environment. Every branch and leaf can be its own ecosystem. Mosses, orchids, and bromeliads cling to branches, while insects, spiders, and tiny amphibians make their homes in the smallest crevices. Our biological surveys were incomplete until we looked up. Only with the advent of new climbing techniques and canopy walkways have scientists begun to truly explore this hidden world. Now, every expedition reveals new species and wonders, showing how much we still have to learn. Each discovery reminds us that the canopy is a frontier of science full of surprises and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The canopy is a living library, and we've only just begun to read its pages. Its stories are written in the flutter of wings, the rustle of leaves, and the endless variety of life that thrives above our heads. The canopy was once a fortress, its secrets locked away by height, but human ingenuity found a way up. Researchers now use ropes, suspension bridges, rafts, and cranes to explore the treetops. These tools have opened the canopy for study as never before. Each ascent brings new discoveries: iridescent beetles, symbiotic ants, and bizarre fungi. Orchids thrive here, some with blooms no bigger than a pinhead, others with intricate designs for specific pollinators. Every discovery is a piece of a giant puzzle, revealing the adaptability of life. The canopy remains a frontier of biological discovery. The next branch could hold a species no human has ever seen. The jungle canopy is a treasure trove of potential medicines. Plants and organisms here have evolved unique chemical defenses to survive. Each species is a miniature chemical factory producing molecules refined by evolution. Scientists are searching for new antibiotics, antivirals, and cancer-fighting compounds among these treetop chemists. Some vines and fungi offer anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Even ant and spider venom is being studied for painkillers. The promise is extraordinary, but every lost patch of rainforest is a lost pharmacy. Protecting the canopy means safeguarding a world of untapped medical potential. The secrets of the canopy could shape the future of human health. The canopy is home to animals so perfectly adapted to life above ground, many never descend to the forest floor. Prehensile tails, gliding membranes, and extraordinary agility are all common features here. Flying squirrels, frogs, and even snakes glide from tree to tree, skillfully avoiding the dangers below. Wallace's flying frog, with its wide-webbed feet, can glide 50 feet or more in a single leap. Every animal here is a true masterpiece of adaptation, shaped by the unique challenges of the treetops. From slow-moving sloths to acrobatic monkeys, each species is a testament to evolution's endless creativity. The canopy doesn't just house life, it shapes it in truly remarkable ways. The jungle canopy is vital for the planet's health. Its leaves act as a giant green lung, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Rainforest canopies are a crucial defense against climate change, storing vast amounts of carbon. Destroying them releases this carbon, accelerating global warming. The canopy also drives the water cycle, intercepting rainfall and creating clouds that sustain rainforests and influence weather far beyond the tropics. Removing the canopy disrupts this cycle, leading to drought and climate instability. Protecting the canopy is about more than saving species, it's about maintaining Earth's life support system. It's a source of wonder, a library of biodiversity, and a wellspring of future medicines. As we explore its secrets, we must also protect them. The story of the canopy is the story of our own survival.